Hey, what's up you guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech and welcome back to my new video. In this video, let us talk about 6G. If we check the generations, at first we got 1G, then 2G, 3G, 4G and at present now we are using 5G and in the future we are going to use 6G. But if you see that 3G and 4G came very late to India, but 5G has spread very fast across the diverse country of India. Now we can see the affordable 5G smartphones even under 10,000 rupees. As of now, in reality, we can see that 5G speeds are much better than the 4G network. In the same case, 6G network will be having more download speeds than the 5G network. So there are a couple of advantages of 6G over the 5G network. The first one is a low latency. The 6G network is expected to have the latency of 1 microsecond. At present, the 5G network is having the latency of 1 millisecond. So the 1 microsecond is the 1 millionth of 1 second. So this low latency can benefit especially the gamers because when they play the games, the latency should be very low to avoid breakouts. The second one is the data speeds. The 6G network works in the terahertz region. The present 5G network, 4G network works on the megahertz and gigahertz region. That's why we often hear the terms like the 3.3 gigahertz, 2.2 gigahertz and 800 megahertz, etc. So in the upcoming days, we might hear the terms having the suffix terahertz. So as 6G operates in the terahertz region, the 6G will be having higher bandwidth than the 5G or the 4G network. With the 6G network, we might even get the true wireless charging. In simple words, this technology refers to charging our mobile phone even if the charger is at a distance from us. This kind of technology works on the sub-millimeter waves which is offered by the 6G network. Whereas if you see the 5G network works on the millimeter waves. And the most popular term we often hear in these days is the metaverse. So using this 6G technology, we might see a lot of advancements in the metaverse. And by the time the 6G technology rolls out, this metaverse is going to be common and available to everyone. Recently, Japan has unveiled its first 6G prototype device which is 20 times faster than the 5G network. It also claims to have the fastest internet speed right now which reaches up to 100 gigabytes per second. India is also working on a machine which is Bharat 6G machine which aims to develop 6G technology and supply to other countries. So after hearing all this, like the 6G technology is much better than the 5G network and the 6G is offering much better download speeds than the 5G networks, you might be wondering, does my current 5G smartphone support this 6G technology? The answer is no, because the 6G technology needs to have new modems and new kind of chipsets that should be integrated in our mobile phones. So even if the 6G technology is rolled out and you want to use it personally, then you need to upgrade to a 6G smartphone. So what do you think about the 6G network? Is it useful and are you interested or are you excited to use the 6G network? Let me know in the comment down below. And that's all from this video. If you find this video is informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. If you still have any queries, you can drop down below. I will definitely answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of my future updates. And that's it from me today guys. I'll see you next time. Cheers.